What the yuck, you have fetish on Hatsune Miku, my god. You are a freak for having a fetish on Hatsune Miku. What even is this photo? Let me have a look. What, Hatsune Miku? Why is the pose of her looks like she's sticking her ass out and doing this bowing pose? Gosh, the heels are huge. And wait, that's Nick Summon's favorites. Well, it is a sex symbol. Over here, so much. I want to sing a song.
Is that Hatsune Miku? Yes. Hatsune Miku is overrated, but her being in Star Idol with the Wake Up Challenger outfit. You know what? I'm playing the song on my radio. Mix it up with it. Do you really want me to repeat that song again? Okay, fine. Let's play it again. But this time, you have to dance.
There, no more flutter, although, I will keep this Hatsune Miku Wake Up Challenger photo. I hate to admit it, it looks so sexy in that photo.